Why Power BI with Power Platform, Power BI? In today's video, we'll be going over 4 features that prove why Power BI should be a mainstay at your company. Seamlessly scale as needed. Transform petabytes with enterprise-grade ingestion and semantic modeling in a tool that can scale across thousands of users. Share insights everywhere. Easily embed and share reports in your other Microsoft services, including Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, and Power Platform. Get more done with AI. Employ easy-to-use AI features that can find patterns in data, create reports instantly, provide answers, and more. Govern and protect data. Meet your requirements and gain end-to-end visibility with Microsoft governance, security, and compliance.